I Love Pete the Kitty by James Dean. Pete is a very happy kitty. He loves everything. Pete loves the playground. He loves the swing set and the slide, and riding his skateboard. Pete loves the beach. He loves playing in the sand and watching the waves. Pete loves school. He loves his teacher and art class and learning new things. Pete loves music. He loves playing guitar and singing songs. Meow, meow, meow. Pete loves all kinds of books. Funny books, bedtime books, and books about dinosaurs. Pete loves to eat. He loves ice cream and ice pops and birthday cake. Pete loves his friends. He loves to play tag and have pool parties. Pete loves his brother Bob. He loves going to the park with Bob. Bob is the best at flying kites. Pete loves his mom and dad. He loves when they hug him and kiss his nose and tickle his belly. Pete loves his family, his friends, and his school. Pete loves everything. We love you too, Pete. The end. For more great books, check out my YouTube page.